Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I create a ton of nail related content. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your press-on nails. If you saw my previous video, you know that I applied a set of Lights Lacquer press-on nails and I've absolutely loved them. I've been wearing them for 4 days at this point, but I'm ready to take them off because I need to film some other things. They held up pretty well. I lost 2 of them. I could have easily popped them back on with some glue, but I knew I was going to be removing them, so I didn't bother. As you can see, they look great. There was no lifting. They didn't get stuck in my hair. I cannot believe how well they held up, with the exception of the 2. My index finger and my thumb really were not damaged at all, and that was my main concern with using press-ons, was avoiding as much damage as possible. So today I'm going to show you how I plan to remove these with very minimal, but hopefully no damage. So let's get started. The Lights Lacquer kit came with a little orange stick, so I'm going to be using that today, and then I'm going to take the bottom of the box to kind of collect the nails as they fall off. We're going to start with a big warm bowl of soapy water, and then I'm going to take some cuticle oil. I'm just going to use my Sweet Almond cuticle oil, which truly transforms the nails. It's great at rehydrating, repairing, and just renewing damaged nails. And while my nails aren't damaged, we do want to avoid the damage. So I'm going to put a really generous amount on each nail. I'm talking like a full brush's worth, and just let that seep into the sides and under the nails. I'm going to go around the back, add a little bit there as well before I submerge my fingers in the warm soapy water. So while my fingers are in here, I'm just going to kind of use my thumb to just pull the tips of all the nails down. And then periodically, I'm going to take them out and use the orange stick to lightly lift around the edges of the nails. Now, the best part about these light lacquer press-ons is that they are all reusable. So you can wear these again and again and again, as long as you don't damage them. So I'm going to be really gentle when using the orange stick so that I don't rip, tear, or ruin the nails. That's just going to help loosen them up. So as you can see here, the nails are starting to pop off in the water, which is awesome. That's exactly what we want. We want them to come right off without having to force it. The oil, the warm water, and the soap really help to do that. So here are my nails post removal. You can see that they're all in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of glue left on the nails, but there really wasn't much damage whatsoever. So we're going to take 100% acetone on a cotton ball and rub it over each and every nail to help remove some of that glue. This should take the glue right off. It should also help remove any other residue that may be on your nails. So I'm doing this on every finger before going in with a buffing cube. So I'm taking a really fine grit cube. You don't want anything too abrasive, too harsh, or too damaging. You just want a light buff to go ahead and smooth out the surface of those nails. It's possible that they may feel a little uneven, so this part is really crucial when getting them back to normal. After I've buffed them, I'm going to go over with that cotton ball with acetone again, just to remove any of the dust or residue, and then finish off with some Sweet Almond cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is just key for keeping your nails and cuticles healthy. If you're not using it regularly, you are missing out. There are so many great cuticle oils out there that you can try. There's a ton of natural remedies you can use at home, but I love mine. I have spent years using cuticle oils and just wanted my own. I wanted one that had all of the ingredients and properties that I loved in a cuticle oil, and Sweet Almond is like truly my baby. So I'll link that below if you want to try it out. But after that, I am going to fish out all of the nails from the water bowl and just dry them off because I may want to reuse these. Once I fish them out, I'm going to grab a Q-tip and some nail polish remover and lightly just remove the glue that's on the back of those nails. I'm going to do my best to get it as perfect as possible, but if you can't get every little bit off, you can't get every little bit off. It's totally okay, but do your best to remove the bulk. Then I'm going to set them aside and save them for another use. That is pretty much it. That is how I removed my press-on nails with minimal damage to my natural nails. You can tell that they look smooth, they look even, they look healthy. They really are in great shape, and I loved these Lights Lacquer press-ons. I think I'm going to be using some other press-ons in the near future because I'm becoming kind of obsessed with them. I have a set from Olive & June that I'm going to try out soon, and people have been recommending so many other brands that I really want to get my hands and nails on. You have to remove your own press-on nails at home. Definitely try this method. This isn't a Lights Lacquer specific removal method, so you should have no problem with your other press-on nails. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching all of the DIY mani and pedi content, and leave me a comment below if you have any other tips for removing your press-on nails at home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!